What's up, guys? In this week's video, I'm giving you 5 incredible and unique techniques for DJing company holiday parties. Wild to think that Christmas and the holidays are coming up, but grab something to drink and let's go through 5 easy, simple, and awesome ways that you can rock any company holiday party that's coming up in the next couple of months. Yo, what's up, everybody? In this week's video, I'm giving you 5 awesome ideas, techniques, and different types of tips that'll elevate your services when it comes to doing company holiday parties.
Uh-oh, somebody's fabulous!
Crazy to think that it's already October and there's only 3 months left of the year, which means a lot of companies are going to start going full planning mode when it comes to their holiday events and parties. This could be parties in December like Christmas. This could be New Year party. Around here in Rochester, we get a lot of companies that actually do their holiday parties in January. There are a few that do them in December, but a lot try to kind of break it out between middle of December and even like middle to end of January. Just because with the holidays, things are always going full crazy mode with a lot of businesses, and they like to wait until after all the craziness of the holidays like Christmas and New Year's are over with for them to celebrate and do something big. But I digress. Let me just say that there are a lot of companies that do their stuff in December right before Christmas. So if you're a DJ that is looking to do more holiday events, more corporate type holiday parties, these 5 tips are going to really sort of set you up for success and give you some really good suggestions on how you can hit it out of the park, and the company loves everything that you did and they're just going to keep hiring you and booking you year after year after year. All right, so let's begin. Number 1, create themed musical sets or music sets. What I mean by that is if you create themed music sets that match the company's holiday party theme, as an example, let's say the company is doing a winter wonderland theme. You're going to want to incorporate songs related to snow, ice, winter activities, building a snowman, that kind of thing. This adds an extra layer of immersion and excitement to the event. Number 2, do live remixing and mashups. And not just from a traditional standpoint, but showcase your creativity by live remixing, creating mashups of holiday classics with modern hits. So what exactly do I mean by that? Well, maybe a Bruno Mars instrumental with Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You a cappella. Do different types of combinations like that and surprise and delight the audiences with your unique and unexpected music combinations that's just going to keep people dancing all night long. Number 3, now just like with weddings and sweet 16s and other types of events where you ask the client for must-play songs and music, do the same thing when it comes to corporate holiday parties. Do an employee playlist collaboration. Now, prior to the event, when you're doing your consultations and meetings with the company, you want to try and collaborate as much as possible with the employees or even the person who's hiring you. Sometimes it could be an office manager, it could be an HR director, it could be a lot of different people within the organization. So make sure you're collaborating with them to curate a playlist. Allow them to contribute and add what maybe some of their favorite holiday songs are, and create a sense of involvement and not necessarily ownership, but just make them feel special, like they have a part in what's going to come out of your speakers. You can intersperse and mix it up and play different things that they want to hear throughout your DJ set. So you don't necessarily have to play everything that they're telling you. Just like any other event, any type of must plays or playlist that a client sends you, they're more or less suggestions on what they like or what type of music they expect to hear. Same thing with the corporate holiday events. take what they tell you, that a lot of their employees like, because they might actually poll some of their employees before the event. They might say, hey, what are some of your favorite songs? What are some of the holiday classics that you love to hear? What are some popular top 40 songs that you like? And they might supply that list to you as a playlist. So make sure that you're collaborating with them and talking with them and mix in some of the stuff that the employees like, because if you're making all the employees happy with the stuff that you're playing, they're definitely going to invite you next year to play for their next holiday party. Number 4. Now this one is just specific to DJs that may have a photo booth. Now if a company is hiring you and they would like to book your photo booth for the event, make sure that you're setting up your photo booth with holiday props, holiday backdrops, and then make sure that you're syncing the music that you're playing to the photo booth sessions. Play songs that are going to match the mood, and obviously encourage all the guests at the event to dance and have fun while posing for pictures in the photo booth. My last and final tip, number 5, live instrumentation and guest performers. So this one is a big one. If you know anybody who rocks out on a saxophone, a violin, an acoustic guitar, any type of live instrumentation, you can elevate your entertainment by incorporating these types of elements into your set. Now, obviously you want to talk to them beforehand. Let's say you know someone who's a really good saxophonist, or someone who just rocks out really well on a guitar, or maybe you know someone who's a really good vocalist, or maybe you know some little 3-4 piece bands. Invite them, have them come, make a surprise appearance. This is going to add to the event entertainment, and the company that hired you, when they see someone walk out and they just start live singing or going wild on a saxophone or a violin or whatever, they're going to remember it for a really long time. Now, a lot of DJs might not have access to somebody who can do all this, but if you do, if you are friends with anybody, or if you have a good relationship with bands or vocalists or anything like that, talk to them, have them come out. They might charge you a small fee just to, come out and maybe sing a couple of songs, but that small element, it's so going to elevate you as a DJ, and the company is just, like I said, they're going to remember you because no one else has ever done that. And if you know other types of performers, so let's say maybe you know a magician, maybe you know a comedian, something like that, invite them, come hang out for 30-40 minutes and do some things as people are mingling, or maybe as they show up, or maybe right before dinner. Do that and you will be a rock star in the eyes of the company. And like I said, they will just keep reaching out to you year after year after year, and you will be their one and only resident DJ that they go to when it comes to the time of planning their holiday party. There you go, guys. Easy, right? 5 simple techniques that you can do that'll elevate your services for any company holiday party. These are going to leave a lasting impression. People are going to remember you, and you are just going to totally hit it out of the park for them, and they're just going to keep on booking you year after year after year. And that's what we sort of all vie for as a DJ. Not only do we want to leave a lasting impression on our clients, but we want that repeat business, because it's much easier to get repeat business than it is to get new business. Thank you to everyone who has liked, commented, and subscribed to the channel. Keep doing it. Keep hitting that bell notification. Keep putting these videos out every week so you don't want to miss anything. And as always, if you guys have any topic suggestions, anything that you want me to talk about, hit me up, let me know, and I'll definitely make some content catered to whatever you guys are asking for. As I always say, a day without dancing is a day wasted. Go out there, be an awesome DJ, but most importantly, be a good human being, and we'll talk to you next week. See you guys.